Come on, Doris. You need to push it out. Go ahead. You just need to push 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 push. Come on, Doris. Push. And breathe in and out. Breathe. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Great job, Doris. You had brought into this world another child of mine. Hopefully this child won't be a disappointment like the last two. Just look at my beautiful baby girl. She isn't even crying. She's so well behaved. She is going to be better than the other two. Caillou and Rosie are big disappointments. Now go, animate viewers. I am going to need your help. Sadly, we didn't think of a name for our beautiful baby girl, but this is where you can help. In the comment section below, comment a name for the new baby girl. The name with the most likes will become the name of our beautiful child.
Beautiful? That baby isn't beautiful. That is an ugly child. And she is stupid. You say I'm a disappointment, but I am twice the amount of perfect that stupid baby will ever be. I am better looking, I am smarter than that stupid ugly creepy looking thing, and I have red hair. What a stupid ugly accident she is. She should just go herself.
You need to shut the up!
Great job, my beautiful child. You have put that disrespectful little girl in her place. And as for you, Rosie, how dare you curse out our perfect newborn child? That's it. You are grounded, grounded, grounded for infinity. Go to your room forever and never come out.